Here we are today, YouTube. What we have here is a T-Mobile iPhone 6s. This is a 6s Imei right here, in which this device is blocked. In which we're just only going to make a part 1 to this video. Yeah, because like I said, this we don't have the physical phone to show you that it's a T-Mobile iPhone 6s. But feel free to pause the video and look up the info on this unit. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to pause the video. We're going to perform the services on this iPhone 6s. We are back, and we have went ahead and proceeded with performing the services. It did take a good minute for us to clear this device off, in which the customer is definitely very happy. In which, since it's blocked now, when we hit submit, first I'll just copy this Imei. This device was blocked, in which, it's iPhone 6s. Somehow with the iPhone 6s's, it doesn't recognize after the block has been cleared off on the T-Mobile Imei checker, in which I've already copied the same Imei, and we'll just check right here on Swappa, in which this device definitely was blocked. I don't know if Swappa's going to even recognize this device right here, but we'll just check it just to show you that everything has been cleared off with this device, which hopefully next time we'll have a physical T-Mobile iPhone 6s. That way we can verify, we can show you the phone, it's the same phone, in which we're not changing any IMEIs. Pop up. Let's go back. Just go back to swap over there. Okay, let's just put the Imei back into Swappa, and then let's click on the check. Hopefully Swappa recognizes it as a iPhone 6s. Because like I said, a lot of these new systems has not been updated with the new phones that had just came out. Like the Note 5 is not going to even recognize. As you can see, it doesn't even say what type of phone it is, but it's a T-Mobile iPhone 6s, in which this device is cleared now. It's clean and cleared. Thank you for watching. Tune in and subscribe.